Hey guys, good morning. I'm starting the 75 hard challenge again for the third time. I was doing so well when I started again on Thursday. My routine was great. Then on Sunday, I mistakenly ate a piece of biscuit. No snacks. You're not supposed to take snacks. You're supposed to cut out sugar. And bring this close. So you're supposed to cut out sugar and all that. And I mistakenly ate a piece of biscuits. And guess what I did? When I realized what I did, I went ahead and finished the whole pack. Then drank a can of malt. Then Tim, my husband bought me Tim like a few days ago. And I was like, oh no, I'm cutting out sugar. I don't want it, but thank you. It was in the freezer. I defrosted it and then I drank it. I was like, since I had really ruined the whole thing, let me just go ahead and eat everything I want. It's pretty difficult to, stay disciplined, but I will try. So I'm starting it again. Today is Monday, the 3rd of February. God help me. This challenge was supposed to end in March, but here we are in February, starting again. Well, anyway. I'm just gonna try my best. This is the beginning of the week. Hopefully by the end of the week I would have conquered 7 days the right way. So let's get started. I have a lot to do today. A whole lot. So I'm gonna study my Bible and read 7 chapters and the book of Genesis. And then go ahead, exercise, and then have my bath. And then prepare the kids for school. Usually my husband and I, we do the preparation together, but he has an early day today. Yeah, he has an early day today, and he'll be leaving the house pretty early, so I'll have to be the one to bathe them and get them dressed before he's back to take them to school. So I have to start. Okay, let's get started.
A few moments later.
So this is exactly what I look like right now. My tummy is my major problem area and I have some more toning and defining to do. But my mommy push has actually reduced significantly since I started my weight loss journey. But this is exactly what I'm working with. Alright, so I'm done studying my Bible. I want to go and exercise outside for 45 minutes. Just body strengthening exercise and core exercise, and I'll do it on my balcony. So let's go. Outdoor workout done and dusted. It's time to get my day started. Alright, so I'm back home from the school run and on my treadmill, currently walking. Almost 4 minutes and I'm going to do this for 45 minutes. Just starting with a simple walk, incline 3, speed 2, just to warm up my body. I'm going to do it for 5 minutes, then I'll take it up and do incline 3, speed 3, do that also for 10 minutes then before I take it up a notch. It's where we pack all our used boxes. All right, so see you soon. This is the reason why I ditched outdoor walk for indoors, because if I was outdoor I wouldn't sweat this much at all. Almost 45 minutes in, actually I'm 45 minutes into my workout, so 45 minutes into my workout and I'm done. Love that I'm sweating. I love that I'm sweating. I haven't sweat this hard in a long time. And just by walking. So, second workout for the day done and dusted. Ooh, done and dusted. I'm still working. Almost 46 minutes in. But I'm done with my workout. Awesome. I love it. All right, it's time to stop. All right, so it's currently 11:01 p.m. and I'm just finishing my last, what I call it, my last straw of water. 3 liters of water done and dusted. I drank more than this actually. This one, yes, but I drank like and a half. So I drank more than this. Today was good. I read my Bible, exercised 2 45 minutes workout, and feeling today was iffy. Wasn't so great. I had leftover rice from Sunday fried rice I made with lots and lots of chicken. For lunch, I didn't really have anything per se because I was craving something else and did not have the strength to make it because I had to work. I just closed from work, and right now, today overall was such a beautiful day. You can see how tired I look, but day one of redoing the 75 hard done successfully. I have to go to bed right now because I have to wake up very early. I have an early start. Find out that if I don't start my day early exercising, I end up not exercising at all. So no matter what, I push through. What I'm focusing on in this current 75 hard, I'm not so good with diet, so I'm not going to say, okay, I'm going to eat this diet or that diet. I'll eat whatever I make for my family, but in small portions. Drink lots of water, at least 3 liters of water. Yeah, exercise twice, read my Bible. Of course, I mean outdoor and indoor. Read my Bible 7 chapters a day, take pictures every day. That's all. That's all I'm doing for this 75 hard, and I'm very excited about it. Let's see. I really want to finish it because of the discipline. I don't do well with routines, and that's exactly why I'm trying so hard, and I'm repeating it again for the 3rd time. So this is February 3rd, my day one. My day one of the 75 hard challenge. This challenge was supposed to end in March. It was supposed to end in March, but as I'm speaking with you right now, it's obviously not going to end in March. It will end in April. But regardless, I cannot wait to see the results. I want at the end of this challenge for me to be both physically and spiritually sound. That's the main idea for this challenge. And excuse the way I look. I just closed from work, looking at my computer for the past 8 hours. I am tired, I am stressed, and I need to sleep. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers, bye.